Welcome! Today I'm with Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and I'm gonna show you a couple camera tricks. So when you enter for the camera, you can find few hidden options. The first one, you can grab this shutter, drag, and as you can see right now we got floating shutter button. So we can tap on the above and we can easily take photos. So sometimes when you cannot reach this shutter, you can move it, for example, right here to the left side. And right now, it's definitely easier. The another method to take a photo, you can tap on the power button, on the volume up button, once. Or on volume down. When you click and hold the volume button, you can take the bare shot. 100 photos. When you enter for the gallery, you can tap right here and you can just take a look on all of these photos that you take. So it looks like the short animation, and you can keep all of them by select this marker in the left upper corner and then tap on this button. We are going to save all the photos. You can also take the bare shot when you swipe with the shutter button like that. Swipe and hold. It looks identical. Right now I'm going to show you how we can use the zoom feature. So we can standard use this menu like that. And as you can see right now, we can go forward. And the quality is actually really good, as you can see on the preview. We can go maximum for the 100 times. And the quality is still very good. But we can also make it in a different way. Of course, we can pinch screen like that with the two fingers. But I think that this option that is hidden in the settings, take a look. It will be up here, so right here. It's called the volume button option. It's right here, so we can press volume keys to take picture or record video, or to zoom in or out. And right now when we switch to the volume buttons, when you press volume down or up button, take a look how smoothly it works. It looks definitely better than pinching screen or tapping on each preset. And it works also in the video mode. So when you record video, it looks definitely better with these volume buttons. Right now we can switch to the video mode. Take a look. Let's try to press record. And right now we are able to zoom. And right now we can use presets. So I will show you the difference between this option and the volume buttons. Let's take a look on the preview of the video. Okay, so as you can see, that's another option that's a little bit hidden in this smartphone. Let's go back for the photo mode. Okay, and right now I'm gonna show you other tips. Like, for example, we can quickly change the brightness level in most modes. So we have to tap on the screen and then move the sun icon to the left or right to decrease or increase brightness level. You can make it manually by tapping on the screen. So it works also in the portrait mode. As you can see, the same in the video mode. So you don't have to basically use the Pro mode if you want to only adjust the brightness level. And also it works in the other modes, like for example, we can still adjust in the night mode. Okay, let's go back for the standard photo mode. And right now I will show you how we can add filters. So if you want to change the look of your photo, you can tap right here and then choose the different modes. With this slider, we can also adjust strength of this filter. And it also works in the video mode. Take a look. You have to tap right here and then select one of the preset. You can also find the filters right here. They are a little bit different. That's, for example, very cool. The vintage lightning. Okay, I think that's all from this basic options. Also, we can add shutter delay. You can add 2, 5 or 10 seconds. When you select 2 seconds and click on the shutter, after 2 seconds photo will be taken. If you want to get more light in your pictures, you can also use this feature and take a look. Okay, and right now we can simply move photo settings, where you can find other options. So we got the swipe shutter button to take the burst shot. You can also switch this one to create the GIF. When you scroll down, we can also find other things, like for example, we can enable the grid lines. So they help us basically to take better composition on the photos. As you can see right now, this help lines appears on the screen, the white lines, and they help us to take better composition on the photos. So for example, if I want to get this grid in the middle on the photo, I can make it definitely easier with the help lines on the screen. And take a look how it works. Okay, we are going back for the settings. Right now we can also enable location tags. We can go the precision one while using the application. So right now when you take photo and go for the details, you will get the exact location where the photo was taken. Take a look. As you can see right here, we got the exact location. Unfortunately, you cannot tap right here and go straight to the Google Maps, but you can input it manually and get the location. When you scroll through the settings, you can also find shouting methods. So I just show you that you can change the volume keys function from zoom in or out to take picture or record video or take the burst shot, but you can also control the system volume, but that's the default function of this button, so we can skip this option. But we can also use the voice commands to take picture, so we can say smile, cheese, capture shot, or to record video we have to say the record video. So we can try how it works. Let's enable and let's say, for example, smile, smile. Okay, let's try one more time. Smile. As you can see, the photo was taken. So if you, for example, put your phone on a tripod and you cannot, touch your shutter because you are too far away, you can use this voice command to take the photo. I'm gonna disable this option, and also you can take selfies by showing the palm of your hand. Okay, and that's all from the settings and the normal modes. When you go for the more modes, you can find other features. For example, I really like to make slow motion video, so you can select the slow motion. Let me just grab it, maybe like that. And take a look. You have to press on the slow motion shutter. It was a little bit shaky, but let's take a look how it works. Okay, so we can go back, and you can also try to use this famous Pro mode where you can adjust a lot of things manually, like for example the ISO, shutter speed, exposure compensation, You can set the focus automatically or manually. You can also set the white balance with the sliders, so there's a lot of things that we can set up, and honestly you can take very interesting pictures with this mode. So you can just take a look, go through all settings and pick your favorite setup. But that's all from the S22 Ultra, the most useful and hidden features that you can find. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.